All I do is adore you all of the time. I'd like to. I'd like to.
Sweet. So these are the front Sweet. So these are the wiper blades. I'm going to be changing with some Trident TBL 20 wiper blades. I just picked them up from Super Cheap Auto, which is pretty much where I buy everything. Super simple stuff. So let's get around to it. We'll start with removing the wiper blades. So to start off with removing the wiper blade, you first of all have to, of course, lift up the wiper blade. And underneath here, there is the tiniest little clip. Push that in and slide this upwards towards, slide it down towards the car, and you should release the wiper blade. So it'll look something like this. It's that simple, it's very easy. Make sure you don't fling this back because this is bare metal and that will crack your windscreen. So keep it up. That's the old wiper blade, and we'll replace it with the new not so shit one. Cool, so what's in the box? Of course there'll be a wiper blade to start off with. There's new attachments, so just in case one of them's rusty and all that sort of stuff. New attachments, and deep inside is our long ass wiper blade. It's slightly different to the one I've got on there. It's not better by any means, I don't think, but it's newer. So yeah, we'll pretty much get it back on. There might be slightly different to what the old one was. As you can see already, the old one had a thinner clip bit here, and this one's got quite a thick one. So, but nonetheless, the theory behind it is still the same. Sweet, so these are all the main attachments that you get with this kit. In particular, I started with this attachment on there. Now this was a little bit too loose for the section in which it was holding it on, the metal bit on the actual car. So I changed it to a much smaller one, which had a bit more tighter fitting. And to do that, all I had to do was click that one off and re-click this one on like this until I hit a click. And then all we have to do is attach it to the windscreen. Let's get to it. If you hear the click, it means it's on good, and bang. That's all it takes. Simple as that. So on this one, I'll show you the full process. Nice and easy. So we got our new wiper blade. Take the old one off. Bang. Grab our new one. Open up the box. Pull out our attachments. Pull out our wiper blade. Now this one's got the attachment on it that we don't want, so we pull this one off simply by clicking it out. So hold it up and then push. Go unclip. Put that one down. Open this one up. Grab the same attachment, which for this kit it was a D2 on the side, on the top. Sorry. Put that one on. That. Click it back on, and we're pretty much ready to reinstall. Just like that. Too easy. Now let's get onto our hub. Oh no, light things. Covers. Hello, dude. Now, we're gonna cover those up with some sweet as decals. Now our decals I bought online. I think these were $15 each. Very cheap, but I think you will agree. If you know anything about E30s, they're pretty, I'd say common. I'd say a few people have them on their cars, and they look quite nice. They cover it up like that. And I think with the eyebrow and the black grille and all that sort of stuff, to really finish off pretty much everything I can do with the front grille area. And then we'll start to work on, you know, the rest of the car to make it look nice and aggressive. So without further ado, we'll get this one on this one, that one on this one, and we'll get to it. Stay tuned. So with these going on this high beam, the only way I can get it on is if I take the eyebrows off, so, which is kind of annoying, so I'm gonna have to double side tape it. But all in the, you know, all in the quest for a better car. So we'll start by taking off the eyebrows, and then we'll get on to chucking these dope ass things on. So actually just take the whole Euro grill sort of thing off. So I took the Euro grill. You can leave the eyebrow on if you have an eyebrow. The Euro grill is just 2 tiny bolts at the bottom here and here, and 2 clips at the top. Take them off, and you'll have access to your high beam light like this. Now this cover should just slide right over the top, so we're just gonna go ahead and do that. Sweet as. That looks pretty good to me. Alright, we'll go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. So it's the same thing as the other one. See, now that we got this off. Now I found a tip was, if you level it on the top and then pull these 2 down to the bottom at the final bit, just to get that little bit over the edge, you'll have a much easier time putting it on than trying to just like force it on. So keep that in mind when you go to install. I have no idea what that screaming was. Mint as. So now that this one's on as well and that one's on, looks kind of cool without the grill, but we're going to have to put the grill back on to complete the look. So let's do that. So I'm just going to go ahead and quickly like mocked it up, and it already looks so good. Eyebrows and the black Euro grill and the black grill in the middle and the fucking hella thingos. Looks so dope on this car. So we'll tighten up, put all the bolts on, put all the clips on, and we'll be good to go. Mint as you can see, there we go, they're on, they look dope. Fully sick hella covers on the E30 now. I think it just looks cool. Lol. Sweet. So today we did the hella covers on both of the fog lights, and we did our windshield wipers. That was pretty sick. Super easy, but took about 20 minutes to do all of it. So yeah, so simple, something you can do at home, so if you want to do it, go ahead and do it. Sweet, so that's today's videos, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, consider subscribing and hitting that like button. These were inexpensive, and I think it is a good little addition to the car. So go ahead, just all you gotta do is search headlight covers E30 on Google. Find it. There's tons and tons of like places you can buy them. So they're super cheap and inexpensive. The windshield wipers, just as simple. All I had to do was go to my local parts store, and they were 30 bucks in total for a pair of them, so they were easy as well. And yeah, I guess I'll see you in the next one, and we can follow on with this E30 build.